Welcome to my channel. I'm Shadow Scout Swede. And I want to say welcome to my new supporters. And I want to say welcome to my returning supporters. And I was thinking about one thing, one specific thing. When I did my tag video about my knives, my 3 knives, my favorite knives, most used, and my smallest. And I mentioned that when I come to my smallest, which was my Gerber, and I got that in Bear Grylls survival kit. And I mentioned that most of these knives that comes with these survival kits, I have found out that they were basically crap. And I gotta show you what crap it is, okay? This one, for an example, I have no idea what this is, what brand it is. When you look at it, it looks like a decent knife, right? A decent folder, right? But I have to disappoint you. This one is really crap. And I show you. This blade is really dull, and I'm gonna demonstrate it with on a paper. This one versus this. I'll show you. Look, this is, you don't even get a cut. Well, a small cut, but not much. So that is a really crap. And if you, well, you can sharpen it up, but I don't know if it's even worth it. It has also a scissor. Let's see if this is this one works better. Well, the scissor works pretty well. Not good, but it could perform a little bit better, but it is what it is. And this scissor is the only thing on this knife that is sharp. Well, as sharp as you can get this little one. So most of these survival kits you buy and those knives that comes with it is crap. And I can tell you, when I hold this is useless. It's cheap. This will probably don't hold up at all. So get a decent multi-tool instead. And if you buy these kits, take out the useful stuff and take away the crap and put a better gear in it instead. But in Bear Grylls, survival kit. This is my Gerber. As M.I. Woodsman said, it was a paraframe 1. I don't have the specs on this, but I'll show you. This one is sharp. Much better, right? I don't put any force on this. It's cuts so smooth and nice. So this one is really good. I'm not a big fan of Gerber, but I have to say this little knife works really good. It's really sharp. It cuts the paper with ease. So, and this one, it's good materials. So this will hold up in a way. So I put this knife instead in my kit. Then this one. So that is what I had for today. There was one more thing. I want to make a shout out as well to Die Bullfrog 79. As I said before, he has a great channel, great content, and I suggest if you haven't been on his channel, so go there, visit his channel, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to ring the bell. Okay? And the other one is Conservative Views by Christine. That woman has a great channel, and that is a woman with great knowledge. She has been living in the wilderness for over 20 years, and she has awesome content. She is a great, wonderful woman, and go visit her as well. Subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to ring the bell. Oh, when you are already there, tell them I send you. Okay? Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and ring the bell on my channel as well. And if you want to make a donation to my channel, you can do that on my PayPal account, and everything will be in my description box. So that's all, guys, and go out and seek your adventures. I hope you find them awesome. And that's it. Shadow Scouts read out. Long live the king, strength and honor, be safe. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and the support.